But also, there's just the practical reality. If you look at Silicon Valley, most of the developer world that's kind of playing with LLMs and agentic AI, they're all using Apple products. And then at the same time, Apple is not really like leaning on that. Like they're not opening up and playing and working together and like, yes.
Isn't it funny how they completely blunder AI and yet everybody's buying Mac Minis?
What does that even make sense? You're quite possibly the world's greatest Mac salesman of all time.
No, you don't need a Mac Mini to install OpenClaw. You can install it on the web. There's a concept called nodes, so you can like make your computer a node and it will do the same. There is something said for running it on separate hardware. That right now is useful. There's a big argument for the browser. I built an agentic browser using there. And I mean, it's basically Playwright with a bunch of extras to make it easier for agents.
Playwright is a library that controls the browser,
Yeah.
and it's really nice, easy to use.
And our internet is slowly closing down. Like there's a whole movement to make it harder for agents to use. So if you do the same in a data center and websites detect that it's an IP from a data center, the website might just block you, or it make it really hard, or it put a lot of captchas in the way of the agent. I mean, agents are quite good at happily clicking "I'm not a robot."
Yeah.
But having that on a residential IP makes a lot of things simpler. So there's ways, yeah, but it really does not need to be a Mac. It can be any old hardware. I always say like maybe use the opportunity to get yourself a new MacBook or whatever computer you use and use the old one as your server instead of buying a standalone Mac Mini. But then there's a lot of very cute things people build with Mac Minis that I like.
Yeah.
I know I don't get commission from Apple. They didn't really communicate much.
It's sad.